All right, Hannah, what day is this?
Saturday?
Saturday. What else is it?
Daddy-daughter day?
That's right. What are we going to go do right now?
Go to the airfield?
Yeah, what are we going to do when we're there?
Drive airplanes and have fun? Daddy, I'm all done.
All right, that's Hannah. She's, how old are you?
6.
She's 6. So, a lot of fun.
I'm in 1st grade.
She is in 1st grade. We are headed to Cedar City Airfield to go fly my
There's the music
airplane.
stick.
There. Yep, that is the music stick.
See the music
It's a
playing?
radio tower. But anyhow, so yeah, we're gonna go fly. It's pretty high wind, probably 25 to 30 miles an hour right now, give or take, maybe gusting a little faster. So I brought my high wind airplane. I was gonna bring my Corsair, but Corsair does not handle high winds real well. Let me rephrase it. I don't handle the Corsair in high winds real well. It's kind of a twitchy plane, especially compared to my my Storch like E-Flite 15e,
Wait, are you part of my
something like that.
film now, Daddy?
Yeah, still be part of your film. So, anyhow, we're gonna film in the air. I'll get some aerial footage. Yeah, put that up for you guys. So, maybe do a little tutorial on how to fly in the wind. Cheers. One last look. That's correct. So, anyhow, all right. So let's get to flying. All right. So we're out here at Cedar City Model Airport. It is bright Saturday, about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, give or take, and it is pretty windy. We got a runway that's going probably 2002, kind of mimicking our actual airfield here at Cedar. And right now the wind is out of probably about, I don't know, 120, somewhere like that, so southeast. And so got a little bit of a crosswind going on. The wind's probably about 15 to 20 knots, so about 20, a little over 20 miles an hour, gusting a little harder than that. So what I've got here is my E-Flite 15e. As you can see, I painted it, and it's called Ankle Biter because I managed to run it into my ankle on a very, very windy day, and not completely dissimilar to this one. That happened to be my birthday, and I cut the crap out of my right ankle. I had to go to the hospital and get a little over 60 stitches. So it is windy. We've got the battery loaded already, and we're gonna put this bird in the air. This is my wind airplane because it handles really well. It is a not quick to stall, and just good handling aircraft. So without further ado, let's get her in the air. We got her mounted up on the back of the tail here. Back of the tail, aimed backwards anyway. Let's get you in the air. So again, we got some pretty good winds going on, and key with wind is staying in control, yet kind of light on the controls, and just kind of working with the wind rather than against it, because you will, especially with a model aircraft, you'll lose the battle. So, and by you, I mean me. Checks here. All right. Let's get her up in the air. still recording. Wow. All right, so if this is still working, you just saw what happens when you break what's called the VNO speed, or you're not supposed to operate beyond speed maneuver type of speed on a given aircraft. I think as we go back to the video, if it recorded, you're going to see that it developed a really, really bad flutter, and I think it developed from where I had repaired it. It had actually cracked off before, and maybe my repair didn't work. So the end result is this right here. Yeah, it would have been more dramatic had I had it aimed at the ground, I suppose. But that's a pretty good divot right there. So anyhow, we can fix her. Looks like it was a clean break pretty much everywhere. I may actually put my BF-109's engine on there, which was substantially larger. Really turn this into a an aircraft that can break its VNO speeds all the time. So anyhow, that's how not to fly in the wind. So I've actually flown in the wind higher than that. So I don't know if the camera being up there created some weird aerodynamics or something. Don't think so. But anyhow, that's it. That's how not to fly in the wind. Brought to you by Helen. You're welcome. There she is. One last look. Great sorrow.